Hello students, our topic is cost estimation using basic COCOMO. I am Namita TN, Assistant Professor, Jyoti Engineering College, Thrissur. So our aim is to estimate the cost of a software project using basic COCOMO. Then what is this COCOMO? COCOMO is constructive cost model, and it is an algorithmic model, and that one is used to estimate the cost of a software project. And when we are performing this cost estimation, in software development lifecycle, the first phase is requirement analysis. And in the requirement analysis phase, we already analyzed the functional and non-functional requirements, and all these functional and non-functional requirements will be stated in the form of an SRS document. Once the SRS is finalized, then the next step is project planning. And the project estimation, it's a part of this project planning phase. And the second question is why we are performing this cost estimation. No project starts without a proper budget proposal. So the budget proposal should be accurate also. So accurate cost estimation is very much important. And the next question is how we are performing this cost estimation. With the help of some basic models like COCOMO, we are performing this cost estimation. So after the requirement analysis phase, the next phase is project planning, and the main task involved in project planning is project estimation. And in project estimation, the following project attributes are estimated. The first project attribute is cost. That is cost estimation. That is how much it is going to cost to develop this software product. And the next attribute is effort, and that one is how much effort would be necessary to develop the product. And the next attributes we are measuring is duration, that is how long it is going to take to develop the product. And the effort, that one will be measured in terms of person months, and the duration will be in terms of months. So in project planning, the first step is size estimation. Once the size is estimated in terms of kilolines of code or in terms of function point, the next step is the cost estimation and the time estimation, development time estimation. So our question is to estimate the cost of a software project using basic COCOMO. And the estimation in this model, that is the estimation in this COCOMO model, that one is performed with the help of some mathematical equations. And these mathematical equations are based on historical data or theory. So we are directly moving to the COCOMO model. And the COCOMO is constructive cost model. It is a cost estimation model, and that one is developed by Barry Boehm. And what is the need for this COCOMO? The COCOMO is used to estimate the cost, effort and duration based on the size of the software. In project planning phase, the first step is size estimation. Once the size estimation is completed, the next step is to estimate the cost and the duration. And in this model, the size is measured in terms of 1000 delivered lines of code, and that is kilo lines of code, KLOC. And in COCOMO, 3 modes of software development are considered. And the first mode is organic, the second one is semi-detached, and the third one is embedded model. And the characteristics of each model. And the first model, organic. If a model is categorized as organic, then the size will be very small. That is, the size will be in between 2 to 50 kilolines of code, and the that is the size of the project is very small, and the experience of the developers is they are too much experienced, and the deadline is not tight, and the working environment is a familiar environment. And these are the features of organic project. And the features of semi-detached project are the size of the project is 50 to 300 kilolines of code. That is, the size of the project is medium, and the experience of developers, average experience, and the deadline of the project is medium, and the environment, working environment is also with medium character. And in the case of an embedded project, the size is in between. That is, the size is more than 300 kilolines of code. That is, the size of the project is large, and the experience, very little experience developers are there, and the deadline of the project is tight, and the environment is complex. So we should identify in which mode our project is. That is, if the size of our project is estimated as 100 kilolines of code, then definitely we should identify that as an organic project. Okay, then if in our SRS document it is stated that the deadline is very tight, then we should categorize that project as an embedded project. If the size of the project is medium, then we should identify that project as a semi-detached project. Then in cost estimation, the first step, we should categorize our project as organic or embedded or semi-detached. That is the first step. So in basic COCOMO model, we are going to estimate the effort, duration, all these project attributes we are going to estimate, and the equation for finding this effort is effort equal to A into kilolines of code raised to B. And that, what is that kilolines of code? That is the already estimated size of our project. And these A and B are just some coefficients, and that one will be get from some previous data. Okay, so E is equal to effort equal to A into kilolines of code raised to B, and duration D is equal to C into effort raised to D, where A is the effort in person months and D is the duration in months. And these coefficients A, B, C, D, and that will be given, that are the next table. And what is this effort? Effort is the amount of labor that one will be required to complete the task, and it is measured in person months. Okay, so what is the basic concept of this one? In COCOMO model, we are estimating the effort and duration, and the equation for finding the effort is A into kilolines of code raised to B, and the effort is C into effort raised to D. And here the coefficients are AB, BB, CB and DB. That's nothing but it just states this one is a basic COCOMO model. That's why it is AB, BB, CB and DB. So the basic COCOMO coefficients that is given in the table. In the basic COCOMO model, if the project is categorized as an organic project, then ABCD coefficients will be like this: 2.4, 1.05, 2.5 and 0.38. Okay. Then if a project is an embedded project, then AB, B, B, C, B and DB coefficients will be like this: 3.6, 1.20, 2.5 and 0.32. Definitely we should by heart all these coefficient values. And we can estimate the average staff size also, that is the total number of persons required to complete a project. When effort and development times are known, the average staff size to complete the project may be calculated as average staff size. It is E by D persons. Then we are moving to the problem section. Suppose the project was estimated to be 400 kilolines of code. Calculate the effort and development time for each of the three modes: organic, semi-detached and embedded project. Here the size is already estimated. It is estimated as 400 kilolines of code, and from this statement we can categorize our project as an embedded project. If the size is greater than 300 kilolines of code, definitely that project is of type embedded project. But in our question, calculate the effort and development time for each of the three modes: organic, semi-detached and embedded. With that reason, we are estimating the effort and duration in all these three modes. So the equation to find the effort is A, kilolines of code raised to B, and for duration it is something different from this equation given in this particular slide. Duration is C into effort raised to D. Okay, that is the equation to find the effort. So applying all these coefficients and this equation, we will get the effort and duration. Here, what is this KLOC? That is the estimated size of a project, and the estimated size is 400 kilolines of code. And because of that reason, in the space for this KLOC, we are using that value 400. And since first we are estimating the cost and duration for the organic project, so the first one is the organic mode, and in organic mode the coefficients A, B, C, D, that is 2.4 and 1.05 to estimate the effort. So it is 2.4 into 400 raised to 1.05, and we will get the effort as 1295.31 person months. And the next, once the effort is estimated, then we can estimate the duration also, and duration is C into effort raised to D. Okay, it is not KLOC raised to D. Duration is C into effort raised to D. So it is the C coefficient is 2.5, and 2.5 into 1295.31. That is the estimated effort raised to D. That is 0.38. We will get the duration as 38.07 months. It's not person month, 38 months. And the next one, we are considering it as a semi-detached mode, and in semi-detached mode the effort is the same equation for effort. It is A into kilolines of code raised to B, but the coefficient values will be different from that of organic mode. Here the values are 3.0 and 1.12, and we are computing the effort. Once the effort is computed, then the next step is to estimate the duration. So the duration equation is C into effort raised to D. So we will get the duration as 38.45 months. And in embedded mode, the ABCD coefficients will be different, and the size estimated is same 400, and in that way we will get the effort and duration as 4772.81 person months and duration as 38 months. Okay. And our next question, assume that the size of a software project has been estimated to be 32,000 lines of code, that is 32 kilolines of code, and the average salary of software engineer is 15,000, and we need to determine the effort required to develop the software product, the development time, and the cost required to develop the software product. So in this model, first we should identify the mode of our project. Here the size is 32,000. Okay, so it is 32 kilolines of code. So if the size of our project is in between 0 to 50 kilolines of code, it is an organic project. So our project is an organic project, and we are using the coefficients of the organic project, and the effort is estimated as A into kilolines of code raised to B. The coefficients of ABCD coefficients of organic mode we are selecting, and in that way we calculated the effort as 91 person months, and the duration is C into effort raised to D. In that way we are computing the duration as 14 months. And next we are estimating the cost of our project. Okay, so it's already stated in the question as average salary is 15,000 per month, and here we need, the development time is 14 months. So the total cost estimated will be 14 into 15,000, that is 2,10,000 rupees. That is the estimated cost. And in this way we are estimating the cost of our project using basic COCOMO. Thank you.